The economy is not smiling these days, and everybody is looking for multiple streams of income for good reason. So, this is the way to go actually. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about 7 income streams that you can start right away and start making money almost immediately. They are low capital or zero capital businesses that you can start from the comfort of your home and also from your smartphone. But before we get started, a quick introduction. My name is Mary Adole, and this is Smart Skills Up TV. Here we talk about various ways you can make money in the online space, and we also talk a whole lot about marketing and advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, as well as LinkedIn. So if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, please do not leave this video without hitting on the subscribe button and also turning on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on all the values that we share on this platform. So the first business model that we're going to be talking about here is affiliate marketing. Wait, before you turn your nose and say not again, I won't stop talking about affiliate marketing because it is one of the simplest business model online, and if you think it's hard, it's because you're missing the point, which is marketing, right? So if you learn how to market online, you should be able to sell any affiliate products, be it physical or digital products. So you would most likely be using WhatsApp for your marketing. So a very helpful tip would be to learn how to get leads to your WhatsApp on a consistent basis. So I recently did a tutorial talking about how you can run WhatsApp ads successfully so that you can generate leads to your WhatsApp on a daily or consistent basis from Facebook. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the description of this video so that you can check it out as well. So you can start affiliating for brands without any investment by simply reaching out to them, especially if you see that their products are those that a lot of people are interested in, right? So some brands have well-defined affiliate structures in place for paying commissions, and I really advise that you go for those so that you would avoid the situation where you have to go back and forth with getting your commissions or your payments after all your marketing efforts, right? So I would recommend you sign up with Seller. You would get access to tons of products you can make a choice from, and your commissions will be paid straight to your Seller account whenever you make a sale. All right, so if you don't know about Seller, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this tutorial so that you can also go on to sign up with Seller and start up with their affiliate marketing platform. So I think that you get to sign up with their affiliate marketing platform with just about 2,000 naira or thereabout, which is not actually a lot of money, right? Now, the second profitable low capital business that you can start right away is graphics design on a platform called Canva. So Canva is a platform that lets you create stunning designs even without extensive background in graphics, but you would need to learn, of course. So give yourself 1 week of binging on YouTube videos around Canva graphics and you'd have become so good you can offer this skill to businesses online for money. So if you charge at least $3 for each design, by the end of the week, depending on how many designs you're able to complete, you should be smiling to the bank. But you would also need the pro version of Canva, and you can simply look for those people who have Canva teams and pay them to join their teams, right? So it usually doesn't cost up to $5, right? So I'm currently on a team right now and I'm enjoying all the benefits of Canva Pro, all right? So if you're interested in getting this Canva Pro, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp with the link in the description of this video, and I'm going to help you out on how to get access to a team that you can join and then start enjoying the benefits of Canva Pro, all right? So it's usually very, very amazing, designing on Canva. So the third business we are going to be talking about is e-commerce, right? So I've been running Facebook ads as an advertising agency. I run Facebook ads for people a lot, and I've been running Facebook ads for a couple of women or ladies who sell fashion accessories, household items, and the likes. And I find that they belong to a peering group where they pool resources together and import from China and Bangladesh. I also know of a lady who sells high quality shoes and bags and all of these fashion accessories for both male and female, right? So she added me up to our WhatsApp channel and she posts very attractive pictures of these products from time to time. And I know she makes very good sales because I know her personally, and I also see when she gets to deliver these products to the people who patronize her. So essentially, these people don't have these products with them before they start to advertise. So I'm sure you've come across a lot of people advertising shoes, bags, and all of this attractive fashion accessories on WhatsApp, and it's not as though they have a shop anywhere, right? So this is actually, similar to what I've described. This is actually what they do. So they actually import from wherever it is, and then whenever you place an order, they get to bring it for you, right? So this means that you can own a multi-million naira boutique without having a physical shop anywhere, right? So basically you might just need a little capital to start, or maybe the person whom you're going to be learning it from, if you want to learn, will just charge you a little amount and then you're good to go. So compared to spending a whole lot of money opening, starting up a business, there are so many things you can do in the online space, and that is what I'm trying to explain here in this tutorial. Now let's talk about the fourth business, which is video editing. So a lot of businesses these days actually need video editing, because it is through video content that they are able to explain the benefits of their products and services, and they are always in need of people who are skilled in video editing to actually put their videos together and project their brands in a very engaging and attractive way to their customers. So you can actually set up yourself as a professional video editor. There are various tools you can actually use. There are tools like CapCut, there is InShot, even Canva can actually serve as a video editing tool. So to become a pro at video editing, you can actually take a video editing course from people who have actually been in the business before, and they have a lot of experiences, and they've put together their experiences into an online course. But then if you don't have money to buy an online course, you can actually binge on YouTube videos, just like I advised for Canva graphics, right? So there are tons and tons of videos on YouTube that would actually help you to master video editing in a matter of 1 week. All right, and the tool that I'm going to be recommending that you're going to be using for your editing is CapCut. All right, so you're going to be finding a lot of tutorials on CapCut on YouTube. Okay, so once you've mastered how to edit with CapCut from YouTube, you can actually offer to edit videos for businesses for free, and then from there on you can gather your experiences and start to charge a fee for your services. All right, then the next business we're going to be talking about is video content creation, right? So this thing you see me doing here on YouTube, talking to you and teaching you about how to make money online, is video content creation. So these days we have a lot of content creators on different social media platforms. This is because these platforms actually pay you for creating content on their platforms, especially video content. All right, so YouTube, Facebook, TikTok and the likes, they actually pay you, although it's not all the platforms that actually pay Nigerians, right? So if you're in Nigeria, right, and most African countries, an example is TikTok. So I don't think that TikTok is actually paying Nigerians right now the same way it actually the same way that YouTube and Facebook now pays Nigerians. All right, but basically the most important thing is that you have a message to convey. So for this channel, all we talk about is business, how to make money online, how to make your how to grow your finances and all that. All right, so you would want to have a core message for your content before you actually start out, and you need to have a strategy for your content creation. All right, but then one thing with content creation is that it does take a while before you can actually start seeing the result in monetary value. But one of the things that you can actually do is to have a product or a service that you're actually marketing, so that while you're waiting for these platforms to monetize your content, you can actually be making money from your product or service. So for instance, here on this channel, I sell my Facebook ads course and also other affiliate products as well. All right, so I also get people who come to contact me and say, okay, I want to buy your course, or I want you to advertise for my business. All right, so this is one of the things you can also do when you're creating content on any of these channels. And then since you're just starting out, I would really advise that you stick to one channel and be consistent on that channel, and before you know it, you would actually start making money. And the good thing is that they actually pay you in dollars. At least I know that for YouTube and for Facebook as well. So I actually have a couple of videos actually on how to monetize your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. So I'm going to be leaving that link in the description of this tutorial, or you can also go onto my channel, just search, and then you would see a couple of those videos teaching you how to actually start monetizing your content on Facebook. All right, then the last business we're going to be talking about that you can start almost immediately and start to make money is ebook or knowledge monetization. All right, so it's actually similar to video content creation, but it's just that instead of creating this content in video format, you're actually creating it in text format, right? So you're writing, it's more like writing a book, right? Writing a book about what you already know, your experiences, and putting it out there for people to buy. All right, so in this day of information, a lot of people are actually making tons and tons of money selling their experiences. So for instance, you know how to cook, you're a chef, or you have expertise in a particular area, you can actually write a book, a PDF of, it doesn't even have to be so large, it doesn't have to be a voluminous book, it could just be a couple of pages, but then it should be able to solve a problem that people in your niche or in your area of expertise are experiencing, so that when you put it out there for sale, people would be eager to buy, because you're going to be able to solve their problem with your information material. All right, so for instance, I have a course on Facebook ads, right? I have a course on how to run Facebook ads, although that one is a video course, but then people also have books around how to do different things. All right, so if you've gained mastery or expertise in a certain area, you can actually go on to create a knowledge product. It could be an ebook, or it could even be a video around that expertise you have, and then start to sell it. But then you also have to position yourself on those platforms where you're going to be selling, and then so that people can actually believe in your authority before you actually start to sell to them, or before they can actually buy into your offer and all that. So these are the 7 businesses that you can start without a lot of capital, or even without no capital at all, and then give yourself a space of few months and you're already good to go. All right, so everything is really all about consistency and persistence. All right, you don't have to start within 1 month and you're saying, I'm not making a lot of money, I'm not making money, and then you just go back to relax. People who are making a lot of money today from content creation, they actually started from somewhere. All right, so if you can start today, in the next couple of months, you should be happy that you actually started, and you should be happy that you came across this tutorial today. All right, and that's why I want you to hit on the subscribe button, so that you won't miss out when I roll out similar videos like this. They are going to be related videos, showing you how to also promote your business that you have now started. All right, so that you can get a lot of clientele and a lot of sales in the online space. All right, and until next time, see you.